Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 30. And it will come to pass when all these things have come upon you, the endowment and the curse that I have set before you, then you will call them to mind among all the nations where Yahuwah your Elohim has driven you. Therefore you will return unto Yahuwah your Elohim. Also you and your children will obey his voice according to all that I command you this day, with all your heart and with all your soul, that Yahuwah your Elohim will overturn your captivity and have compassion upon you. Also he will return and gather you from all the nations where Yahuwah your Elohim has scattered you. Although your banished are in the outermost parts of the heavens, from there Yahuwah your Elohim will gather you, and from there he will fetch you. And Yahuwah your Elohim will bring you into the land which your fathers possessed. Then you will possess it, and he will do you good and multiply you above your fathers. Furthermore, Yahuwah your Elohim will circumcise your heart and the heart of your seed, to love Yahuwah your Elohim with all your heart and with all your soul, so that you may live. Moreover, Yahuwah your Elohim will put all these curses upon your enemies and on those who hate you, who persecute you. Also, you will return and obey the voice of Yahuwah, and do all his commandments, which I command you this day. And Yahuwah your Elohim will make you plenteous in all the work of your hand for good, in the fruit of your body, and in the fruit of your cattle, and in the fruit of your land. For Yahuwah will rejoice over you for good again, like he rejoiced over your fathers, if you will hearken to the voice of Yahuwah your Elohim, to keep his commandments and his customs, which are written in the teaching of this supper, if you will return to Yahuwah your Elohim with all your heart and with all your soul. For this commandment which I command you this day is not hidden from you, nor is it far away. It is not in the heavens, so that you will say, who will go up to the heavens for us and bring it to us, that we may hear it and do it? Nor is it beyond the sea, that you will say, who will go over the sea for us and bring it to us, that we may hear it and do it? Rather, the word is very near to you, in your mouth and in your heart, that you may do it. Behold, this day I have set before you life and goodness, also death and wickedness, in that I may command you this day to love Yahuwah your Elohim, to walk in his ways, and to keep his commandments, and his customs, and his guidelines, so that you may live and multiply. Also, Yahuwah your Elohim will endow you in the land where you go to possess. But if your heart turns away, so that you will not hear, and draws away, and worships other deities, and serves them, I tell you this day that you will surely perish. You will not have prolonged days upon the land, where you pass over the Yarden to possess. My testimony with you this day is recorded in the heavens and earth, which I have set before you, life or death, endowment or curses. Therefore choose life, that both you and your seed may live, so that you may love Yahuwah your Elohim, so that you may obey his voice, and so that you may cleave to him. For he is your life and the length of your days, so that you may dwell in the land which Yahuwah swore to your fathers, to Abraham, to Yitzhak, and to Jacob, to give them.